estate investing course that will calm all of your real estate worries.
This course would save you time, money, and stress.
And most importantly, help you gain more money.
Sign up for our real estate investing course at secretsofrealestate.net. Be careful with that because you can get in trouble trying to do it on all the properties.
Yeah, because I was down there trying to do it. I was like, look, I got properties. I need tax exemption on all of these.
Can't. See, this is why.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Secrets of Real Estate. Today's topic of the day is tax exemptions. This is very important for homeowners.
Yep.
Soon as you purchase your house, you go down there if you can, if it's open.
Yep. Tell me about the story.
Oh, okay. So I have a story. I bought a house that I was living in, and I didn't go file the tax exemption right away. So that was a mistake I did, and I experienced it, and I want to tell you about it so you don't do it. Yeah, so I bought a house, and I was just living in my house, and then when tax bill came, I was like, Mom, I forgot to go file the tax exemption. She was like, oh no, now you have to wait the following year.
So, I get these calls all the time. The ma calls, and I'm just like, oh my God, what happened now? This is like a regular thing, okay? Anyway, so if you don't file your taxes between, well,
Not file your
not your
taxes.
taxes, but your homestead exemption.
Yeah.
So you have to go down to the courthouse in your, wherever
County.
you live.
Yeah.
Go down to your county courthouse, and between January, the first quarter of the year, you have to file your homestead exemption if you own the home and live in the home for the last year.
Yep.
So,
And it won't reflect until the following tax bill.
right. So,
Not that year that you file it.
yes.
The following.
So here's the thing. If you, now I said you have to, you don't have to.
Yeah.
You can actually just don't go down there, don't feel like going, but if you want a little gift on your tax bill, I mean like a big chunk of it off, you're going to go down to the homestead and file, to the courthouse and file the homestead tax exemption and get a discount on your taxes every year. So you can only file that, like I said, on the first quarter of the year. And you have to live in the house at least 12 months before you can file it. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yep. So
Hold
they get
on.
you for that first year. They get you.
Hold on. I thought that you could just go at the top of the year. That's how I used to do it, unless...
So you only go one time, by the way. You don't go every year.
Right.
You only go one time, you file, and that's it. But you go at the top of the year.
But you gotta stay in the house for 12 months?
Yeah, so if you moved in that house say in June, you could go file the homestead, but you won't get credit until you live there for a whole year.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So it won't reflect until the following year.
Yeah, and
so
the
that makes sense.
reason for that, guys, is because when people live in homes, they file homestead. So if somebody lived in the home before you, you already have the discount that first year because they were already living there getting a homestead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the second year you won't get it because they went somewhere else and filed their homestead.
Right. That's why they always... And you can't do it on rental properties. You can only do it on your primary residence.
Right. Be careful with that because you can get in trouble trying to do it on all the properties.
Yeah, because I was down there trying to do it. I was like, look, I got properties. I need tax exemption on all of these.
Can't. See, this is why. This is why she has to ask questions on my show. Ask questions where you do things. Yeah. So,
Yeah, I actually did that one time.
Yeah.
I did the tax exemption try to do it on all of my properties.
Can't.
And then I didn't get tax exemption on my primary residence because I'm over here trying to do tax exemption on my rental properties.
No, I can't.
So that year, it didn't happen for me on my own primarily.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. When you move from your property that you live in too, and you get to the new property, you have to notify them that you no longer live in that property, that you now move and you need homestead on the, take it off of that property and put it on the new property.
Yep.
So that also is another thing you have to do. One more thing on the list.
Right. You gotta stay on top of these things so you can save some money.
Yep.
Save some money.
Yeah. I usually tell all my buyers at closing, like, hey, go file a homestead at the beginning of the year, you know.
Yeah, if you have a really experienced agent, they'll definitely tell you that, you know, in the beginning of the home buying process, like, hey, don't forget to file homestead exemption at the top of the year.
Yeah, they usually go down there with your registration for your car, you know. I think a light bill too, or something like that, you know, like a utility bill.
Yeah, they want to have some type of proof of residence.
Yeah, they do.
But you know that you stay there.
They sure do.
Yep. So, is there anything else you want to tell these people about tax exemption, ma'am?
Make sure you pay besides from the tax exemption, make sure you pay your taxes on your properties.
Oh yeah.
If you don't,
your properties will be at the court steps.
Yeah, they
or
will
the courthouse.
sell your property at a tax sale.
Yes.
And you won't even know it. That happened to me once.
What?
Yeah. Yes.
Your house was sold at the court steps?
Yes. So let me tell you about a little trick mistake that always happens. When you buy a property, you think that the attorney is going to let the tax people know that you now have the property and they will send you the tax bill.
Right.
That never happens. So be careful with that. When you buy a property, you have to let the county know that send out the tax bill. Contact your county for your tax bill that same year, because if you don't, you won't get a tax bill. The prior owner will get the tax bill because they are behind and don't know that you are the new owner. That happened to me.
You didn't do a change of address?
No. I thought the attorney, I bought an investment property. And it's not a change of address, it's an investment property.
Okay.
And the attorney did not tell me that I have to contact the tax office and let them know that I am the new owner to send the bill to me. So the bill comes to the address, but it doesn't come to me. And it goes to the old owner was an investor, so that the bill actually didn't go to the address to the property. It went to the old owner. Yes. So the property ended up getting sold at tax sale. But good thing we were in a recession, and it sold, I think, for only like about $500 or something dollars.
What?
Yes.
They got a house at $500?
They did, and I was in panic when I found out, because I didn't even find out they had it for the whole time.
Oh my God.
They had it for a whole year, I believe, and they contacted me to foreclose. And I was like, what? Because I have a right of redemption for the whole year. Like, I can come and redeem the property back. I had to redeem the property back.
Oh my God.
I had to pay the excess and everything and redeem the property back. So that is something, like, anytime I don't get my tax bill, like I'm getting tax bill for the properties and I notice one property don't have a tax bill, I contact the tax office, your local tax office. And be careful, because some properties have city taxes and county taxes. That means you have to pay two different places. So you might pay your city, but you didn't pay your county. Or you might pay your county and not your city. And guess what? The city tax is going to foreclosure. So, yes, it's a mess. You gotta stay on top of it. You gotta stay on top of it.
Yeah, because when I don't see one of my tax bills, I be chasing them down like, Ma, I didn't get this one. Where they going? Because before you know it, they bid it.
They don't care if you didn't get it in the mail. They might not even send it. They might have thrown it in the garbage. It's your responsibility to find them and pay your bill. Sometimes I think that even a tax appeal, I think they really throw it in the garbage so you don't have to make an appeal. Like that happened to me this year. They didn't give me no appeals.
Really?
Yeah.
They try to give me appeals.
They say, oh, I sent it in the mail. I called them on the phone. I said, did not get it in the mail. They said, oh no, it was sent in the mail. Oh yeah, and I mixed the tax appeal, and now you can't make appeal. So tax appeal is basically if they send you a tax bill and you say this is not a fair amount, you can actually appeal that.
Yep.
But you only have a certain window of time to do that. And if you miss that window, honey, they don't care.
Sold to the man with the braids in his hair.
Yeah, if you miss that window of appealing, you're ending up with a fat tax bill and you gotta pay it.
Well, we learned a lot today, guys.
Yeah, I'm lying in a few minutes.
Yeah, man. So, guys, go pay them taxes. Don't be like that person that say they don't pay taxes. No.
Ooh.
Your house will be sold.
You sure will.
So, guys, we have a real estate investing course. If you guys want to learn about real estate investing, sign up for our course at secretsofrealestate.net. I'm going to drop that link in the description box. How to invest in real estate course.
Yep. Subscribe.
Like. And comment. Let us know any other videos you would like for us to do. Any topics.
If you have any questions, we can actually answer them for you.
We are here.
Yep.
To help you on your real estate journey. All right, guys. See you later.
Bye.